In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Google AdSense pin not working. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if you've been struggling with the pin verification process for Google AdSense, you're not alone. Many users face similar issues, and it can be incredibly frustrating. Let's go through some common problems and steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve them. First off, if you've requested your pin multiple times and haven't received it, make sure to check your mailbox carefully. Sometimes, small envelopes can easily be overlooked. If you've confirmed that it's not arriving, you can try reaching out to your local post office. They may have insights or updates on any mail that could be lost or delayed. Once you're sure the pin isn't coming, the next step is to make use of your AdSense account. Navigate to the Account Info section, and you should see an option for the pin verification. It's interesting to note that you can attach a digital image of your ID card here. However, I understand some users have encountered issues with the links provided. You might end up on a page that doesn't work, which can be incredibly frustrating. If that link leads you nowhere, there's hope. Google has a help section that includes a pin troubleshooter. This tool is designed to guide you through the steps based on your specific issue. It's worth the time to carefully follow the prompts, as they can sometimes lead you to unexpected solutions. For those who find themselves stuck, perhaps after several unsuccessful attempts at verification, it's essential to gather as much information as possible before seeking help. This includes keeping track of your pin request confirmations, any correspondence you've had with Google, and details about your issues. Reaching out can feel daunting, especially when dealing with large companies. Unfortunately, Google doesn't always provide direct email support for AdSense issues. However, you can utilize the Contact Us feature within your AdSense account, which may direct you to chat support or other support options available at that moment. Another method may include visiting Google's AdSense help community. Many users discuss their experiences there. You might find someone who faced the same issue and successfully resolved it, or you might even get direct advice from a Google expert in the community. Remember, patience is key. The process might take some time, but staying persistent is important. If you feel like every avenue is exhausted, you might consider creating a new account, but ensure you review Google's policies and understand that this may come with its own challenges. To summarize, I understand how challenging it can be when your AdSense account is blocked and it feels like you can't get the assistance you need. By checking your mail diligently, utilizing your account options, and reaching out through the right channels, you should be on the path to resolving the pin issue. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many users have faced these hurdles and have found solutions. Don't hesitate to seek help where you can. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Good luck, and I hope you get your AdSense pin verified soon.